Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So first off, I just want to say thank you to everyone for all your supportive comments and DMs that you have sent me since my last video of explaining everything that we're kind of going through right now. It's very stressful. I'm definitely taking it easy. I still want to film because I am just sitting down like when I can, but I do feel like other videos are going to be kind of sparse in the meantime till I can kind of figure out what is going to be a good schedule for me. If you want to stay tuned with any updates, make sure to follow my Life of Maddie channel. That one I do like mainly all my mommy content over there, so definitely follow that. And then also follow me on Instagram. I update you a ton on Instagram stories because that is like the quickest way I can update you guys and the easiest. So definitely follow me there. It's just Madison Miller. There's no more 89 in it. I'm so happy I'm finally able to get my name after so many years, but yeah, so I will have all those linked down below if you guys want to check them out. But let's just go ahead and get into this PR unboxing because I know you guys are excited to see some new launches. We've got them back here and let's dive in. First package is from Fourth Ray Beauty. They are a sister brand to ColourPop and also Soul Body, if you guys did not know that. So they came out with a new little kit here, which is super cute. This is the Jam Sesh Strawberry Kit. So you get the strawberry exfoliator in here, you get the strawberry face milk, and also the strawberry face oil. Oh my god, this just sounds amazing. It got kind of moved around on the inside so you can't see a whole lot. I've actually used the exfoliator and I find it very nice. It is definitely a bit abrasive, so I do recommend only using it like 1 or 2 times a week, but it smells bomb. Like, it smells so good. This is definitely a cute little set. I just wish it didn't get moved around so you guys could see the products, but it's a cute little set and I can tell you already from the exfoliator I like it and it smells so good. Sticking with the Fourth Ray Beauty, we have some other products here, and these are the Pineapple Serum Boost and Face Milk. So they have witch hazel, willow bark, and pineapple in them, and its best results apply the serum boost first and follow with the face milk. So these are going to help smooth the skin and also help with moisturizing and refining. Love that. I am going to enjoy trying those out because my fruit craving right now, like with pregnancy, is so much. Like, I just love anything that smells fruity. It just smells so refreshing. So I cannot wait to give those a try. All right, so next up is a sweet package that I got from Ashley. And Ashley said, "Hi Madison, I've been watching your YouTube channel for a long time and I'm a big fan. With having kids, I know how much I hate painting my nails. I am a stylist with Color Street. I wanted to send you a sample to try them out. So fast, easy, 100% nail polish with no dry time or smudges. I hope you give these a try. I love them, a total game changer." So she's a Color Street stylist, you guys. So if you want to check her out, she has a Facebook and it's Lily-tastic Nails, and you can check her out there. And then yeah, so I'll go ahead and find the link for that and I'll link it down below for you, and also her little website where she has her products at. So I'm definitely going to try these out because I'm not getting my nails done and I do actually really miss having polish on my nails right now. They're really healthy though, can I just say? Like, they're so thick and healthy, but I do miss having nail polish on, so I'll definitely give these a try, and if I like them, I will definitely purchase more. So thank you, Ashley, for sending these over, and if you guys want to check them out yourself, I will have them linked down below. I swear, whoever writes the letters for Laura Mercier, like, can I just steal you? Can I have your handwriting? This is so, just look at this. It's like perfect. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay, so it says, "Dear Madison, I am working with Laura Mercier and I wanted to get you some of my favorite products for the summer to try. Laura Mercier's Tinted Moisturizer," oh my god, I love that stuff. Okay, "was one of the first beauty products I've ever tried and it continues to be a favorite to this day. I swear by it for an effortless glow and flawless skin. I've always included their iconic primer, illuminating and matte radiance baked powder that I swear by. Plus the caviar stick eye colors and caviar volume are perfect to take your summer look from day to night. I hope you love these products. Be sure to show off your effortless summer glow." So I cannot wait to try this out. It's from Olivia Cupo. I hope I said that right. She's really pretty. And then she has like the product list on the back. So they sent over this really cute bag right here. It's absolutely adorable. And we have the tinted moisturizer. This is in 2W1 natural, so this will probably work for me when I'm self-tanned. We'll have to give that a go. And then we have the Pure Canvas Illuminating. These are nice. I know I have this already, which is really just beautiful on the skin. And then this I love. I recommend this for anyone who has mature skin, has dry skin. It is so, or like normal skin too. It is so beautiful. Like, and it's so just lightweight and just leaves the most beautiful radiance on the skin. What I would also use this a lot for was if I baked, I would take a little bit of this with this brush right here from Sigma, take a little bit, dust it off, and then I would use it to wipe away the powder, and it would leave like a radiance. So it's just really stunning. So I highly recommend checking these out. Again, this is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlight in 01. And then also we have their Caviar Volume Mascara, and I love their caviar sticks. My mom's gonna actually probably beg for me for this one. This is Au Naturel. Oh, this is such a beautiful, oh my God, okay. I'm gonna love this one. Look at this. Oh, that is beautiful. Just put that all over your lid and just blend it out. Boom, you're done. It's so easy. They're so creamy. They're just a great eyeshadow stick. So if you guys like eyeshadow sticks, definitely check out the Laura Mercier ones. They're definitely worth it. But thank you to Laura Mercier for sending these over. Definitely gonna use them. I'm gonna start pulling this baby out again because I have not used this in a while. So, and I remember how much I like it. So thank you so much for sending these over. Oh wait, there's one more in here. I got another caviar stick. Oh, okay, so this one is copper. So you know what? You could take that matte one, put that one down first, blend up into the crease, and then you can top it off a little bit with copper and blend it out just to add a little bit of shimmer on the lid and to bring like a bronzy look. I think that would be absolutely stunning. I should really do that in a video. I don't think I've ever used them in a video. So maybe I'll do it on like Instagram stories or an Instagram IGTV. That might be fun. We could do that. So Laura Mercier sent over their setting powder products to celebrate their first annual TLSP Day, which stands for Translucent Setting Powder. And it says, since 1996, translucent loose setting powder has set the faces of industry finest and has been used by makeup artists and beauty lovers around the world. We felt it was time to celebrate our cult favorite product with its very own day. So that's really cool. So we have their glow one, which is really pretty. You would use this brush with it. You can see how it has a perfect little cave right there to kind of fall on your cheekbones. I remember I used this the wrong way the first time, and then I saw Desi use it and I was like, oh, that makes sense. So just take a little bit of there and then just dust it right there, and it just looks really pretty on top of the cheekbones. It's very just natural and luminescent. And then also their cult favorite translucent setting powder, which is a great setting powder. I love this one if you have acne prone skin because it kind of creates, like if you have a blemish, it like mattifies it and it kind of like makes it go away. Like it takes away all dimension from it to where it really just looks almost like it's not even there. It's absolutely amazing. That's one thing I love about their setting powder. It's just how it really kind of, I don't know, it helps me hide when I have a blemish just because it takes away the dimensions from it. So I love it. Definitely check it out. All right, so next up is a package from Lancome, you guys, and it looks like we have a new Absolute Overnight Repairing by Ampoule. It's an overnight skin repair concentrated in a single drop. So in this baby right here, the ingredients are 100% pure sunflower seed oil, triceramides, grand rose extracts, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and salicylic acid. So I can't use this because it has that salicylic acid in it, because you shouldn't use salicylic when you are pregnant. But it sounds really, really nice. Like it's going to give you a more revitalized and more radiant look while also diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. I am saving this for me when I am not pregnant. I cannot wait. Oh, this sucks. I feel like the salicylic acid would actually be very good. Like if you have like any little breakouts or anything like that, I think that would help. But I'm bummed I can't try it out. So anyway, so this is the Absolute, this is that right there. And then we also have the Absolute Revitalizing Brightening Velvet Cream. This actually has a sunscreen in it of SPF 15. So that is really nice. I'll definitely have to look through the ingredients of this one to see if I can try out this one too. Everyone again always asks me like, how do you know what you can and cannot use? I really just pull up like a little list off of Google and I just like kind of like look to see if there's anything on the ingredients list of what they say to avoid in pregnancy. But I definitely cannot wait to try out those products. So just hold tight. I will be using them once I'm done being pregnant. All right, so next up we have another new launch from Forthright Beauty. So they just kind of were hitting like all the fruits and stuff. Now we're on coconuts. So this is their coconut kit you'll go cocoa crazy for. So it looks like they came out with a little coconut kit, which is so cute how they did the packaging for this. Let's open it up. So we have the coconut face milk and then also the, what is the other product? Oh, it's a coconut lip mask. Now that sounds really nice. This is a lip mask that will be really nice to have on my nightstand. Oh, I'm excited about that. And it's, you know what? It's gotta smell amazing too. Smell this. Oh, it feels good. Oh yeah. Take a little bit of it. Oh, this is gonna be so nice for the nighttime, you guys. So nice. Yes, it's definitely very hydrating. Oh, I'll let you guys know. It's lip products for me. Like, you know, lip products. I love lip products and I cannot wait to try that out. I'll let you guys know how those work out for me. I'll update you on this tonight when I try it out on my lips before I go to sleep. So I'll let you guys know on Instagram stories. All right, so we got another package from Obagi, I think is how you say it. And I'm so excited. I love their stuff. So they said, hello gorgeous enclosed, find Obagi medical fan favorites that are packed with antioxidants for brighter and glowing skin, perfect for post-summer skincare. Plus we included our newest Elastoderm facial serum for firmer looking skin. This newbie is a powerhouse with incredible clinical results. So excited. So we have a little bag right here, which is actually like a great travel bag. And in here we have the facial serum, the vitamin C serum, and then also a micro dermabrasion polish and mask. That sounds really, really nice. Again, I'm gonna check the ingredients on it to see if I can do it, but oh, that sounds just amazing. Plus a mask in it, like you can just leave it on for a little bit longer. Then as you take it off, it will help exfoliate the skin. It will probably be really nice to do at least once a week. And then we have the new Elastoderm facial serum. So give your skin the power to bounce back. Ooh, look at this. So I'll leave that right there so you guys can kind of take a look at it. But it says that it's a bi-mineral contour complex. Patented bi-mineral contour complex is an advanced ingredient technology that harnesses two minerals, zinc and copper, with malonate. It is specifically designed to initiate and promote the three necessary stages of developing healthy elastin. So that is so cool. They really give you a lot of information here. We also have another little booklet. Again, I'm gonna check out the ingredients to see if I could try it out while pregnant. And yeah, wouldn't it be awesome is if like every skincare product can like say safe for pregnancy on it or ask physician before using while pregnant? I would love that. It would make my job a lot easier, but just do some research. I'm excited though, so that will be fun. I love Obagi. Their stuff is like my favorite. All right, so last package is from Lavington. And I recently just used like my last hand that I just did. I used their, I think it was their Ultra Dark one. That was the one I like. So I used that one and that was nice. But they sent me over some more products, which I'm so excited about because I had to like grab like, because I was like, I haven't used Lavington in a while and I went to go grab my Ultra Dark and I'm like almost out of it. So they restocked me. So they said, we hope you enjoy, gorgeous. Thanks so much for your support. The Lavington team. They always package everything so nicely. Oh my God, they hooked me up with products. Look at this. I love the tan. I don't know why, but it just makes me feel so much better. Oh my gosh. I've got eucalyptus for me, really handmade, real Aussie. So eucalyptus like hard candies and the amazing Tim Tams. These are so good. I'm gonna devour one right now. So they gave me a couple more of their mitts and then also their polishing glove to exfoliate with. Their mitts for applying self-tanner is the best one. Hands down. Like, I have tried so many other ones and they all rip and break and seep through them and get on your hands. Those ones don't. So I'm telling you, they're the place to go for the mitts. I think if you use my code, it's Madison. I think it's just Madison, and it gives you a free mitt. So definitely use that. So we have the face one, which is the deluxe tan for face. And then we have the ultra dark ones, which are great. I love these. So happy. And then we also have the bronze shimmer and ultra dark, and also the gradual tanner, this is a really good one to use to kind of extend your tan. I love to use gradual tanners for that reason, because gradual tanners don't really work well on me if it's just on my fair skin, because I feel like my skin warms them up and they look a little orangey. So I like to have a base on already, and then if I'm like wanting to prolong it and just kind of even it out a bit, if it gets a little splotchy on me, I like to go in with a gradual tanner, and then it looks really pretty. So that's kind of like my little tip and trick for the fair ladies out there that have like the pink undertones in their skin. It works out really well. So thank you so much, Loving Tan, for restocking me. I really appreciate it. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. Definitely, I feel like skincare brands are the ones that are really coming out with more stuff than makeup lately. I don't know, comment down below if you guys agree. I just feel like there's not a ton of makeup that's been getting launched. I'm wondering if it has something to do with COVID, of like, you know, development and everything in factories. So that's what I'm guessing right now. But let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if there's any new makeup launches that you're like dying to see. I actually made a huge order to Sephora, and I picked up some of the rare beauty stuff in that one too that I really wanted to check out. So stay tuned for that haul. It's going to be ginormous. I did it as a little bit of retail therapy with everything I went through this past weekend. I was like, I'm just gonna go shopping. So yeah, that will be coming very soon. So get ready for that, and we will have more reviews coming, because I know you guys want a lot more reviews. So I will be bringing those as well when I can. But thank you guys for your patience and your support. It means the world to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.